Hello, welcome to my channel once again. And today we're going to talk about, I mean, one of the domains in tech. So this session is Learn Tech Podcast, which is dedicated for talking about tech so that people will know, what to do should in case they want to venture into the tech industry. So in our previous talk, I talked about the various domains in tech. So today I'll talk about maybe one or two of them because I want the video to be as short as possible. So I want to talk about the software or web app development aspect of or domain in tech. So software is just an application which can be used to perform various tasks. And we have the mobile applications, we have desktop applications, and we also have web applications. So mobile applications are the apps that we download on our mobile phones and use, such as WhatsApp, TikTok, Facebook, and all that. Then the web apps are those that are designed for or to be accessed via the web. So example can be uh, websites or ERP systems or any software that can be accessed over the internet either through URLs or ports. Okay, then we have the desktop applications which are mostly designed to be on a standalone desktop that can be accessed only when you are with the machine, unlike web applications whereby you can access them wherever you are. Okay, so now what do one need to become a software developer? Or so here when I say, okay, I'll use an app developer. So when I say app developer, it can refer to software, it can refer to desktop, mobile, or web applications. So there are tools that one needs to learn to become, a software developer, either mobile, web, or desktop. So I'll just talk. There are a lot of them, but I'll talk about the few and common ones. So if you want to be, I mean, a mobile developer, you either learn uh, Android Studio or you learn iOS. They have their software. I think it's called Floating or something. Yeah. Then if you want to learn desktop applications, you have to learn C++, C, or Java, even though there are a lot of them, but these are the common ones. Then, if you want to learn web app development, then you need to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, then PHP or Node.js, or we have uh, some of the front end tools or frameworks such as Laravel. We have React, then we have Vue and all that. So as I said, there are a lot of them. You just need to research on the tools that are needed. Well, so in the software domain too, we have front-end developers and back-end developers. So front-end are those that specialize in building the user interface of an application. And even with that, we have two, types. Those who use graphic tools to design the interface, such as Adobe or Corel Draw or other graphic tools. Then we have those who code the front end using languages like CSS, JavaScript, HTML. Then when it comes to the back end, we also have Angular, some frameworks, Bootstrap, Angular, React, which you can also use for the front end. Then we have the back end. I can't mention all the tools, so I only mention some. Okay, when it comes to backend too, we have languages like Node.js, which is a JavaScript framework which can handle both backend and front end development. Then we have PHP, we have Python, So PHP2 is a scripting language which can be used to communicate, I mean, to create communication between the front end and the back end. When I say back end, that refers to the database part of an application where data is stored. Then you need to also have knowledge in MySQL or Microsoft SQL Server. MySQL is an open source relational database management system which is used to store data in applications. Then we have MongoDB, NoSQL. In fact, there are a lot of them. Oracle, Microsoft also has their own, which I mean you can use as a backend tool for storing data. So basically, if you want to be a software developer, this is what you need to know. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next episode to talk about the next domain in tech. If you enjoyed this video, please consider following the channel, share it for others to also view, and also like the videos. See you in the next episode of Learn Tech Podcast by Kwaku the Tech Guy.